Vakweni Vawa, Vakweni Vawa, Vakweni Vawa. That is who we are. Come join us on our adventure!
Guys, I've been wondering about something. What exactly is culture?
Well, Samke, a country's culture is the way its people dress, what they eat, and what they make as art, among many other things. In Namibia, we have many different people, which means we have many different cultures.
Let's see. There are the Ovambu people, the Nama people, the Kwesan people, and the Herero people. And that's only mentioning a few.
And what about the Namibians? Why are they not on your list?
We're all Namibians, Toko. We just come from different cultures. For instance, Herero women are known for their colorful dresses.
Yes, and the Ovambo people are known for their woven baskets, wooden cups, and clay pots.
And the Kwesan people are known for their bows and arrows with which they still hunt. It's important that we remember the cultures of Namibia so that we know where we came from and what makes us special.
That answers my question, guys. But I want to know more. For instance, why are all the streets in Windhoek named Strasse? That sounds German to me.
You're right, Samke. Strasse is the German word for street. Namibia was a German colony once, which means Namibian culture has influences from Germany.
If you want to know more of Namibian culture, Samke, you can visit a museum.
Or better yet, just study harder.